Yes, 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 yes. Welcome, 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 everybody. Welcome to the freaking chat, man. Just wanting to see, just looking I can see if the live is working. See if this is working and ready and steady. Bang, 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 bang. Alright, this is something. This is going something. Okay, I think I found the stream. Holy moly, okay. Let's see, let's see. Welcome, welcome, welcome to send 2 3 years to to NASDAQistan. That's funny, bro. Sending this boy 2 3 years back to NASDAQistan, man. That's insane. Just make a message here for everybody. Welcome to. Let's go. Let's get everybody in the chat, man. Send 2 3 years NASDAQistan and see forget, yeah. 2 3 years to NASDAQistan. You just forget. Just forget your child, bro. Send them to NASDAQ. Just forget that shit, man. Forget about it. It's a fugazi. It's a figizo. It's a figizo. Start with the brain rot. Okay. Um, Let me just pin this message and get the mods in here, man. Get everything set. Stream is healthy. Everybody's set. Everybody's ready. Okay. Let's see here. Get the mods in here, man. Send 2 3 years NASDAQistan. Holy moly, we didn't even have a screen right here. Damn! Hope everybody can see the whole time. So I can't see shit. It's okay. Okay, let me just refresh here, bro. Oompa loompa loomp. It's a oompa loompa, man. Yeah, W's, man. W's, W's, W's. Okay. Okay, so welcome, guys. Welcome, everybody, to today's stream. This is basically the full breakdown and analysis of what happened today. At Tuesday. So yeah, it's currently like midnight here when I'm doing this. So yeah, we just were on live. Um, they're over on Kick. So yeah, when we're not live here, we're there over on Kick. So yes, guys. So basically, we we had this kind of we're still in this massive bull rush basically. This bull run all the way from where was it, April. So yeah, the higher time frame perspective that I want to have is for us to be bullish. So we're gonna be bullish on a higher time frame note. So then we went down to the 4 hour. what did we see? I did not like the look because this looks like what? Consolidation. It's like a low and a high and we're kind of stuck. So what did I want to see? I wanted to see a liquidity get swept and then we need a market structure shift into a higher time frame PD array, which is a point of interest. So we need to get a run on liquidity and then we need to get a run on a point of interest, which is either going to be two things, guys, and we explain it all the time. It's either going to be a liquidity pool or it's going to be a imbalance, and it's going to be either one of those two every single time. And yeah, this is the magic of NASDAQistan. So basically going down here. So yeah, I'm gonna be like a magician now. I'm basically just shorting it all up for you guys to make you show like wham. Yeah, yeah. So basically we had our 4 hour long-term sell side right here with all of these highs stacked. But this is a fair value gap. But this is where the long-term liquidity is going to be laying. So long-term investors are holding this thinking that, okay, we're gonna just go up and never come back. But meanwhile, yeah, buddy, sooner or later, hopefully we can come back down here. If the market does not want to come back down, it is fine with me. So yeah, like I said, that was not the main idea for today. Today was this little market inefficiency and this buy side coupled with this buy side, which is equal lows, which created a fair value gap. You see, guys, you don't only have these gaps and everybody just comes here and then classifies this as a fair value gap. No, a fair value gap is a place where price has been before and is currently at. And wherever price is currently at, if the price did not get filled, like you'll see here with the bodies, here was a gap. So price had to come fill this gap and this gap and all the gaps. So not all the gaps are considered to be a fair value gap. Um, Only certain and some would be considered as a fair value gap. So it has to have the criteria. So it either needs a body and a higher high, lower low. So yeah, there's your buy side. That was the 4 hour. This was your 15. We scaled down to the 1 minute. When we scaled down to the 1 minute, we saw that at 5 a.m. there was a run on this liquidity pool, which you either had to take like a little early bird scalp that gets the worm, but I don't like to do that personally. So what I take this as a place where 70% of the time the market will always come back to either sweep this or tap into it or something. So I knew sooner or later we are going to come back here with the bias of being that we're inside of this. This is already our target. This became our new short-term high or short-term target. And this is our short-term low with these stacked cells. Why I use this one? Because imbalance. And like we said, guys, imbalances and liquidities are the life and blood of the market. So we swept this imbalance, ran for these liquidities. Inside of these liquidities, you have a fair value gap or imbalance, whatever you want to make it. So yeah, same thing but different. So you'll basically see the same thing, guys. Um, yeah, so that was the sell. Basically how you got your confirmation. We had this little high coupled by this little rebalancing of price. Showing some weakness here. I saw that we struggled to push up, which created this high that gave me the interest to show actually that we possibly really wanted to go lower. So your perfect inversion fair value gap trade would have been technically here. But I don't like to trade at this time, even though it is technically the New York opening that has started. A lot of manipulation sometimes happens. Like you'll see for the people that thought we were gonna run all the way to here, they probably got taken out of break even before eventually price just ran into that. But this is what, in my mind, this is what retail was thinking. So a retail trader um, would be thinking, okay, we're gonna just run, 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 run. But a smart money concept trader or SMT or ICT trader would see, okay, liquidity pool right here. We got these highs real early, started, created a support, market structure shift right here, bullish, inversion, and you just run it. But yeah, I don't like these 50-point trades for a New York session. So yeah, that's just me. And then right after we hit all our targets, we had a little strong impulsive V-shaped recovery, which, yeah, this one was a little bit too fast, I would say. But I would take this right after we check out these highs, because this looks like a bunch of mess. I would have liked to see these bodies just keep on running. But because this body came above this high, it became a order block. And an order block means what? A place where price wants to change direction. So we filled more prices, filled this due to the order block. We closed above the high of the order block of this low. So it means we want to be bullish. Impulsive bullish leg up, retest of the 50% equilibrium point, and then we just kept running all the way to our POI, or point of interest. Shout out, there's a guy that his name is Mr. Bobby, who came on the stream yesterday on there over on Kick. Um, yeah, man. Shout out Mr. Bobby with your point of interest, bro. There it is, bro. So yeah. So this is basically what I'm referring to. So we swept our liquidity pools, and now we want to go for our point of interest, which is our remaining liquidity. So yeah, think about like a ping pong table. We got ping pong, ping pong, ping pong, ping, and we ponged it back all the way up into the all-time highs. So yes, guys, um, super, 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 super interesting as always. I love this shit, man, and we love this shit. And yeah, we're gonna be doing this a lot more regularly. Thinking of going live on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Yes, for all of you gooners out there, y'all are gonna have some fun with your boy. So, yeah, 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 yeah. Thank you guys for joining. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I hope you guys learned something, even though this was just a quick summary. Um, yeah, as always, guys, thank you for the support. Much love. Night, night, bang!